Hey, welcome to Things Gonna Human. Today is the last day of the year and now there is only a short road to go to 2021. For some humans the road of 2020 has felt like it is very long and will never end. And for other humans, it has been just a nice little road trip that they wish would never end. But anyhow, now we are all arriving to the same finish line, all at the same time, and this might be a very good time to stop for a while and see what is going on with the grand journey of life. From time to time it is necessary to make some adjustments. We all need to update our maps and possibly even change our destination. Or at the very least, it would be good to find back to the road where you were supposed to be. I think you all know what I'm talking about because we have all got lost on the journey of life, but now we have all found ourselves to the end of 2020 and that is good news. Because at the very least it means that we are still alive. And because we are still alive we can continue to explore the life and for that we have given at least two kinds of abilities. Let's examine first the ability of physicality. Do you feel like your vehicle is in fit condition to continue the journey in the same way as it has been doing? Or do you feel like there might be some need for repairing? I'm pretty sure that all of you are finding more or less new tools for the new year. Some of us just to enhance the already great performance and some of us just to get the engine started again. If you feel like you are completely broken down, I suggest you to seek some professional help. Sometimes we all come to a point when we just don't know how to fix ourselves and it is a human thing to do to seek for help in that situation. Anyhow, we will all start the new year with own personal capabilities and it would be good to make some kind of evaluation of those capabilities so that we can set the destinations where we can physically reach on this upcoming year. Let's not keep it as an obvious thing that we can make changes to our physical location or surroundings. It all requires some maintenance work to our own body.
Hey, welcome to Things Gonna Human.
Then there is the other ability which is mental power. Do you feel like there is still plenty of it left or do you feel like your battery has completely run out? And what about the direction of thoughts? Do you feel like you got lots of great plans and ideas in your head? Or do you feel like you have completely wasted your time and thinking about whatever you have been thinking? And then I think the most important question of all to ask on the starting line of the new year. Do you want to use the mental power to dwell in the things of the past? Or do you want to use it to build a better future? I wish you all a great new year. So see you later and bye.